think about these. The GR-GT and its race car sibling, the GR-GT3, will be joined by the all-new Lexus LFA concept here to form the sports car apex for both Lexus and GR. All from one race-bred platform, true to GR's promise of pushing the limits for better and contributing to the entire Toyota group. And all part of Akio's promise of no more boring cars. Now, the GT3 category, where the story of these three cars begins, is all about making cars for people who want to win, for professionals and also privateer racers. For everybody, it all starts with speed. Without speed, there's nothing. For the GR GT3 race car, 4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine, completely rigid aluminium space frame, an incredibly low center of gravity, state-of-the-art aerodynamics, all the critical elements are in place. But speed in itself is not everything. The race is much more than the home straight. And the real art is how you control that speed. In a real-life situation, as our Master Driver Morizo likes to say, it all comes down to kaiwa, the conversation between driver and car. The GT3 is engineered to give you confidence in all situations, to feel reassured that the conversation, even at the limits, in the severest of situations, it's all about the car giving you the feedback that you need to guide you in making split-second decisions. Fluent communication, knowing how the car will respond so that there are no misunderstandings, bringing out the best in your abilities so you can push the car and yourself even further. The GR-GT speaks to both types of driver, the professional driver and the recreational driver, whether that's two different people or you and your alter ego. Now, an integral part of any conversation with a car is sound, not only during acceleration, but deceleration and braking. To understand the importance of this, look no further than 30 minutes drive from here to Fuji Speedway and the transition from the home straight into the first tight corner. To brake as late as possible, deeper, faster, and power out with confidence following your ideal line. This may be the first time that we focus not only on the sound a car makes when you put your foot down, but the visceral, guttural sound when you take your foot off. But the conversation you have on an ordinary street is different. The GR-GT road car, with the same V8 twin-turbo, but with hybrid power, shares the DNA of its racing counterpart more than any other car we've ever made. For this, the team worked not only at the limits of a car, but at the limits of the development process. Production car test drivers working hand in hand with racing drivers. This is a circuit-ready, everyday driver. Wild on a track day, easy to drive around town. Take it for a stint at the track, stop at a nice restaurant on the way home.